Hey, good afternoon. It's Bob, Trade Genius. It's the 30th of April, and it's the last day of our summer special. And one of the things that we're doing to make it a little bit more special than normal, we have it at discounted 50% off, $3.99 for summer special one, and that's the Crypto Room. It's Phil's best picks. It's the TradingView crypto money machine, and then also for this month, because we just launched it and it's going to be available in May, it's the Crypto Express from Trade Genius, and basically it's a push. We push out 10 buy sell signals on the major coins to start with, and I just want to show you. Here's one that Phil called about yesterday and said, hey, you might want to start trailing your stop on EOS. Had a nice run. Well, our signals here, this is on a long swing on a 4-hour buy, sell. Now, you don't have to sell on these. You can say, hey, I'll set stops or whatever. Here's a V-stop, trail if you like. And then got up here, broke out of the trading range and linear regression line, and the signal hit a sell. And the nice thing about this, it'll just push it right out to email to you. And so we're making this available, probably ready Wednesday, Thursday of this week. Been beta testing it, really good reviews on it. And we're going to give this to these people 1 year for those who sign or renew by midnight tonight as part of your subscription package. Going into next month, we're going to sell this as a standalone service. And we thought people who want to jump on it early will give you an opportunity to get it as part of the crypto package. Take advantage of it. It's pretty powerful. Now, the day, I just got back from the desert, was following along. Technology's great. I was in a truck. Truck had wireless. We had an inverter, and I was able to follow all the action today. And geez, what a day it was. Let me just pop up here and go in here. And one of the screens that hit yesterday, I talked about with people is I said we're going to look at sprouts, and we're going to look at this Aglia Biotherapeutics, and we went ahead and we pulled the trigger on this one at 891 today, and now it's at 935. It's a beautiful move, and keep an eye on it now. Probably move the stop up on it, but anyway, now with the volatility picking up, we're going to get some nice short swing trades. So here's one that you can make between 35 and 45 cents on it, 4 or 5% one day, so not bad at all. Now SPY, it started off with this big old gap, and this the normal games they play, and it just filled the gap, and then this thing just plunged. We already were short SPY, money flow here. This is a money flow indicator for SPY that I use to help see if there's a divergence, and we had one heck of a divergence here and here, and so I've been selling 260 puts for May. May is not a strong month for the market, and it's actually a volatile month, even though the average is 0.2. It could be from like -8 to +6. I'm thinking leaning towards the red side here. Things are just heating up across the board, worldwide, economically, politically. The cultural fabric is being stretched, and then plus we're at record margins, record revenue growth, record earnings growth. All these things are, and half these things are contrived anyway. And I just think it's gonna break. But man, this was a nasty finish too. They tried to push it up, and it just collapsed into the close. And so I'm playing at 260 calendar diagonals until further notice. So, but anyway, this broke, and tomorrow you'll see my trend dots flip, and I think those who want to sell call spreads against it will probably be rewarded. But it couldn't hold above the VWAP, and I think we're going to be going down on that. And then to the opposite, woke up pretty excited that oil was down. They gapped this thing up, but oil's pushing back down again. There's too much oil out there. I don't care how anybody tells you or whatever. There's just too much out there, and it needs to come down. This is the month. Energy is not strong in May, and even with all the saber rattling between Iran and Israel, it's not like they're blowing up the Saudi Arabian oil fields, and so I think this is just a tempest in a teacup again, and I think you're going to see oil coming down. We had a 14 put on for the May monthly option contract. We sold a 13.50 against it on Friday, and like I said, I'm looking for this to come down. I'm looking for oil to come down at least another buck and a half, and that'll make my trade profitable. And then I'll look at it from there. The miners, they push gold and silver down right away, and it's in a downtrend now, so it just can't hold it. But it's starting to get stretched. And lately, when gold's getting down here at this this is minus 2% of the moving VWAP, it starts getting a bid. It tried, but it's fell off. So we may have one more down move to go here. This is a bit of a divergence on money flow, and people understand what I mean by money flow. My money flow is basically it's the volume on the bid asks. And I smooth it, and I look at it from an hourly, I look at it from a 2 hourly, I look at it from a daily, to give me some perspective. And so it's what I'm keeping an eye on. The miners, however, though, some are struggling, some are not. I have AG, I just can't get it to break out, but I'm gonna probably add 2, especially if it gets to here, 634 area. I'll add. Heckler though was fine. So, flattish. So it's kind of a mixed bag. Definitely keep an eye on Goro. And then my big disappointment is Southwest Energy got pummeled here. It held just above my stop, but I'm a little disappointed in this move here, so we'll just have to wait and see. I think natural gas is going to eventually go, but I'll probably do some more videos a little bit later. I got to look at the chart, see if there's any opportunities like we got with AGLE today, and then I got to clean up my stops, and I'll put that stuff out too. But hey, take advantage of the special. The cryptos are going to definitely be moving at a fast pace this year, and you'll make more money trading cryptos in a week and a month than you will in a year in the stock market until the miners, silver and gold miners, really start to go. So come join us. Like I said, if you're already a client and you want to add that to your portfolio without paying for it, get the Crypto Express. Just add to your renewal. And if you're new, join and get the signals, get Phil's picks, get the trading room, get the trading software, and get these 10 coins pushed right to your phone via email. Thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.